Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Ryan Gibney Butch Ready Sam Ziggers. Today I have a great review for you. I said I'd do it in my latest video. I think we already know what it is. I also got the Leatherman for G4 for Christmas. That's nice. It's cool, it's unique in its own way. You know, has the... Anyway, let's get on to the real tool. So here we go. It's a Leatherman Arc. Has the CPM magnet cut in it. Pretty nice. I love that. I was using it today. Earlier. Also got a cowboy hat. Senston. I'll do a review on that sometime soon anyway. Here we go. Here it is. Here's the famous pliers. It's really free. Like even you can see on the side of it, they'll say, I don't think you can see that process for free technology. You know, it's just like you can move it like that. Anyway, the tool set on it is good. It has, you know, your bit driver. You know, your awl. Your can opener, what else? It also has, you know, your, so we'll do kind of a, so there you go, there's your tool set on it. 20 tools. So pliers. But yeah, it's very cool. It comes with a bit kit. Missing one. Yeah, I'll do a longer video on it soon. But sure, anyway. Good luck and God bless. Happy Christmas.